Hi, welcome back to another video. We just shout outs quickly, and today we are going to give a shout out to My Nails by Jonna, and I will leave her picture of her YouTube channel on the screen now. She's having a giveaway soon, so she needs a few subs, so if you could go over there and sub to her, she's lovely. She is, bless her. So yes, please do go over and sub to her, and soon she's having a giveaway for her first subscriber count. Sorry, I've got glitter everywhere, I've just realised. Right, secondly, we are going to give a shout out to Mia Evans. So she does a lot of like normal nail polish art, so yeah, go and check her out, absolutely brilliant. And she's new to the Glitter Girls group, so hopefully she's going to be joining in with sets, etc., what we do. So I will leave her picture here, please do go check her out as well. Okay, and we are just going to have a look through what Charlie's Nail Art have sent. So she always gives you a handwritten note, which is really nice, and she also gives you a code for money off your next purchase. Now, this is not everything. Oh, an empty bag. I'll use that. This is not oh, and another one. This is not everything that came with this order. I've actually, because I'd ordered some other stuff as well, which I've obviously split some with Les. So let's pick out these ones by the looks of it. Right, I picked out some more of these strands to put away for like Christmas and that, especially the red one. You get 4 grams in a bag, which is really good. Can we bring you down a bit? Yeah, so you get 4 grams in a bag. So they're packed little pouches, they are. And an orange, this one is. And lilac. Right, this is called Honey Bun. So they're matte coloured, but they've got a slight sheen on them, so they're not like a flat matte. And they're hearts, obviously. I wouldn't even call it yellow, it's like a gold colour, like a muted gold, and pink. So they're quite nice. Got them in a different colour as well. This one is Sweetheart. So these are matte as well, with that sheen on them. They are silvers and greens and lilacs. Are they 4 gram as well? I think they are 4 gram. I think. Ocean Blue, this one's 3 grams. Had to have a blue, didn't I? Don't know what these ones are, but they're butterflies. Don't know what colour they are, as in what they're called. So they're pinks and like a very, very light lilac-y colour, but they've got a shift on them. Mermaid Mix. Yeah, I think some of these are multi-cuts, what I ordered. I think this is a multi-cut one, but you can obviously only see the smaller stuff on the outside. So I'm afraid you're not going to see what's on the inside until I use it. But they're 4 grams. They are so cheap, I tell you now, like dirt cheap. Some flowers, 3 grams. Okay, these are matte, but they've got an iridescent shift on them. These are rhombus ones, which is a diamond shape, and they're bronze, 4 grams. This one, so it's bronze, but I'd call it more of a gold colour. I picked up another few of these because I didn't have any of the silver ones last time. They're flat backs, but be quite good for doing sets with Valentine's Day coming up. Right, this is 3 grams. These are the squares, as in that type of square, and the exterior. Let's see if I can get a couple of the exterior ones at the corner. So you've got like a larger square, like the cutout bit in the middle. Hopefully you can see them now. Thought that might be quite nice for but they're hollow. They are well shiny. Be quite nice for doing like a black and white set. Right, glitter specs. This one is Purple Potion, 4 grams. They're quite nice. Two different, there's like a pink colour, like a cerise pink, and a lilac colour, but they've got a shift on them. And Cobalt Blue. It's quite nice. Quite like this size. I bought 2 of those in different colours. Right, I think this one's a mix as well, but you're not going to be able to see it. But it looks like there's got hot pink in there by the looks of it. It's called Berry Sorbet. There is pictures on there on Charlie's Nail Art website, because there's definitely a multi-mix in that one. There's all different colours. And some purple mylar. I really love mylar at the moment. I do. That one is Blueberry Glitter Dots, 4 grams. I love my dot mixes. And this one is Hot Chocolate. It's quite nice. And the last one is Cutie Pie, which is like a baby pink and a teal coloured, and they're hearts. So that's quite nice. So yeah, and the rest has been put in a packet and it is on its way to Les. Well, it will be when I take it to the shop in the morning, which will have already gone because I won't be putting this out till probably Monday. So right, I'll leave you in peace, and please do go check out My Nails by Jonna and Mia Evans. I'll leave their links down below. Okay, bye.